So there's emails and then there's transactional emails. Do you know how to use them? If not, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use transactional emails. Let's go. Hey, peeps, and welcome back to my channel. If we have not been formally introduced, allow me to do that right now. My name is Akila Pitts, your friendly neighborhood Ontraport certified consultant, system strategist, and all-around helpful homegirl over at akilapitts.com, helping visionary entrepreneurs be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Ontraport. So if that's you, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss a moment of this automation awesomeness. Now, chances are when you go to create a new email message, you have noticed that there's a new checkbox there. And that checkbox is asking you whether or not that message is a transactional email. Now, transactional emails are pretty self-explanatory in that they are emails that are associated with transactions. So examples of transactional emails would include things like invoices or welcome emails that contain login information so that they can access course content, or drip content. Let's say you have a 5-day email course. All those emails could be considered transactional emails because you're sending out content to them as it relates to the course that they purchase. All those are options when it comes to checking that checkbox and saying this is a transactional email. Now, why is it necessary to now specify the difference between a regular email and a transactional email? Let's get a little background. In times past, you may have had clients or customers who signed up for a product or service or just filled out an order form to make a purchase. As a result, they became a part of your list. Now, depending upon who they are, they may be perfectly fine as being a part of your list, receiving newsletters and updates and all the different things that you would send out via your account. However, you also have those people who are solely interested in only receiving content from you that is related to what they purchased. And in times past, if they would get additional emails outside of what it was that they were purchasing, whether it is a newsletter or promotional email or launch emails or anything of that nature, if they no longer wanted to receive them, they could either contact you to have you update their bulk email status, or they could click the Manage Your Subscription button at the bottom of the email and simply unsubscribe from all mass mailings. Now, it's important that you understand that these options are tied to your bulk email status, all right? Which means the status of how you receive any mass mailings that are being sent out. Now, if in times past they were to choose to unsubscribe from all mailings or anything of that nature, their bulk email status would change to opt out, which means that anytime you sent any mass mailings, they were not going to get them. Now, the problem with that is that if you sent out any mass mailings that were meant to be for those who purchase a specific product or service, like maybe bonus content, or if you were moving to a new site and you want to give them their new login details and things of that nature, and you're sending it out to all your students, they still wouldn't get that message because their bulk email status is listed as opt out. But now that we have transactional emails, instead of their bulk email status just going to opt out and they no longer receiving any mass mailings, now their bulk email status changes to transactional emails only. Meaning that if you create an email for your students or for anybody who purchases something, as it relates to the content that they need, and you check that box that it's a transactional email, even if you're sending it to the entire group of students that you have for that specific product or service, they are going to receive that email as well. So that's why it's very important that, one, you take advantage of this option when you're creating these emails that are designed to be for your clients and customers, and two, you don't abuse this option when it comes to the emails that you want to send. Because on the flip side, if you decide that you want to start sending emails out to your previous clients and customers, simply because, as the saying goes, if they bought once, they're more than likely to buy again. If you use this checkbox option and note it as a transactional email when it really is not, you can run into a whole host of issues. You can be issued a warning. You can have the privilege taken away. You can even have your account shut down, because it is important that this feature not be abused. So when it comes to like marketing material, newsletters, launch information, and things of that nature, continue to send those out and create those messages the way you have been in times past. Do not mark it as a transactional email. Only the content that's associated with the transaction should be marked as a transactional email. So now let me ask you in the comments below, do you currently have content within your account that should be marked as a transactional email? If so, let me know, as well as hop into your Ontraport account and make those necessary updates so that your previous clients or customers who are still looking to receive content and notifications from you as it relates to what they purchased are still receiving those things, even if they've chosen to opt out any other mailers that you send. So, did you like this video? Great. Don't forget to like it, share it with others who may need to know this information, and best of all, subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on this automation awesomeness, especially when you're getting updates and content like this. That's all for now, Happy Peeps. Take care. Bye.